Hello everyone. Today's session is about using Windows Phone to view files and folders in OpenStack Swift. We have an OpenStack Swift running in Ubuntu 64-bit server, and we can check it out. It's running on a local address 192.168.2.118, and you can see the containers in the object store, the Swift store. And we are going to create a new container for our testing purpose. So we are creating the container now. So after the container is created, you can see it's called myTest2. So now we are logging into the Gladinet Cloud Enterprise. We also have a Gladinet Cloud Enterprise running on the local area network here, right? So it's next to the OpenStack Swift. So we are going into the storage manager, and then we will select the OpenStack keystone. We support both OpenStack, the auth version 1, and also supporting the keystone. And then for the local setup, we have the OpenStack dev stack, so it has the keystone support, so that's why we select the keystone. But if you have the other authentication mechanism, then you can select the other entry. So here's the identity service endpoint. So we just change that to match our OpenStack address. And the first connection is successful. As you can see here, it already found the myTest2 container, so that's what we are going to be using. So if we go to the go back to the files and folder view, and you can see the myTest2 container shows up, and then we created two default folders, documents and pictures. So now we can just drag and drop a file into the web portal, so you can see. If you have a modern HTML5 based browser, you can do drag and drop upload to OpenStack Swift via the Gladinet Cloud Enterprise. So now we have a document to for testing purpose. So now let's switch gear to Windows Phone. I have the Project My Screen app running, so the Windows Phone was connected via the USB cable. And since we are doing all the local testing, so we need to point that to the Gladinet Cloud Enterprise endpoint. So the Gladinet Cloud Enterprise is a file sync and share solution, and the OpenStack Swift object storage can be hidden behind it. So it's the storage backend, and then the front end provides the web portal access, provides the Windows Phone access, PC and Mac access, iOS and Android access. There were other sessions available about OpenStack Enterprise File Sync and Share solution, and this specific session is about the Windows Phone. So we need to log in. So the app installed on Windows Phone is called Gladinet Cloud. You can download from the Microsoft Store. As you can see here, we clicked into the myTest2, and then we found this how to build Android, right? So the document can be opened, and you can view the document from the Windows Phone. And as you can see here, the document sits inside the OpenStack Swift. We can check it out momentarily here after we log in. And so you can see the file. The OpenStack Object Storage provides the storage, the persistent storage for the file, and then the Gladinet Cloud Enterprise provides the access mechanism and the file sync and share mechanism, so you can view the file from different access devices. So there you go. That's Windows Phone access to the OpenStack Swift Object Storage. Thanks everyone.